Today's featured car of the day is a 1971 Pontiac Lemans, two-door hardtop in this nice lime green color. I filmed this one at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, and it definitely caught your eye in a nice bright green color. And the thing I also noticed was that this one had the 455 cubic inch engine in it, the 7.5 liter, which was first available in 1971 on the Le Mans. Was the first year you can get the 455. Before that, you could only get up to the 400 cubic inch engine. So that opened things up a little bit. And the other thing was that this is just a base model Le Mans two-door hardtop, and it had the optional 455 engine, which was definitely different. So somebody probably ordered this car and probably to go drag racing, I would guess, with the bench seat and column shift with the automatic transmission. But anyway, in 1971, Pontiac production numbers were, their total sales were 586,856 models produced, and for Le Mans production in 1971, it was 155,466 were built. And of this one, the two-door hardtop, they made 40,966. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.